In many international defence exhibitions, contractors try and keep a vehicle to launch for the first time. One of the vehicles being shown in Europe for the first time this year is the Singapore Technologies Bronco 3. Bronco 3 leverages from the development of the original Bronco 1, which has been deployed in large numbers by the Singapore Armed Forces. The next one was the Bronco 2, and that was deployed by the British Army in Afghanistan as the Warthog, and that was developed to meet urgent operational requirement. Further development resulted in the Bronco new generation, and that led to the latest Bronco 3 being shown here. Bronco 3 can be developed for a wide range of roles. This particular one is interesting because, as you can see on the front, is a remote weapon station, and behind that is the Green Rock counter rocket and mortar radar, and mounted on the back of the other element is the Super Rapid Advanced Mortar System, which has been deployed by the Singapore Armed Forces for some years. In fact, SCRAMS is also deployed by the United Arab Emirates on some South African RG series 4x4 protected vehicles. So this volume, what is the difference about it? Well, it's got payload of up to 7,800 kilograms. That payload can be a variety of things. It can be the crew, the weapons, the ammunition, or the armour system. And what they've tried to do this time is improve the survivability. Underneath, it's got a V shape, and they've moved the commander and gunner more to the centre. It is also fully amphibious. So some countries want that amphibious requirement. The ones deployed by the UK in Afghanistan, they put the emphasis on protection, which means it wasn't amphibious. So Singapore's put a lot of effort in this vehicle, which has been launched at DSEI this year, but what you're seeing as a mortar carrier is just one of the many versions. It could be an ambulance, a command post vehicle, a resupply vehicle, carrying bridges, carrying cargo, so it's just typical of the missions it will carry. In addition to this one, they've also got an unarmoured one called Extreme, and that is aimed at the potential replacement for the BB-206, of which over 11,000 were built. So, new at the show for the first time this year is the Bronco 3, which has got a step change in capability when compared to the original Bronco, developed well over 15 years ago.